Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will start from the XZ plane. So this will be the top view. Rotate the profile. Take the circle command. From the center point, make here a circle of diameter 120 mm. Okay, now here finish sketch and take extrude command. We will take here extrude of 20 mm. Okay, and press enter. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate, take the circle command. From the center point, make circle here of diameter 65. Finish sketch, take extrude. Take this time extrude of 30 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here select this face, go to create sketch, rotate, go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this profile. Okay, these profiles. Go to part 2, take here rectangle, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define this width as 30 mm, go to horizontal constraint, select the center point of the circle and here select the center. Now here take the fillet command and take a fillet radius of 15 mm. Select this edge, select this and this. Okay, now scale. Now after giving the fillet, the profile has shifted. I have drawn the profile outside. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see the complete profile. Now this is also moving and this is also moving. To constrain this point, go to sketch, go to dimension, select the center point, define this as 42 mm. Okay. Now go to coincident, select the center point and select the center. Finish sketch. Here go to extrude. We will extrude it up to 15 mm and this will be a joining profile and press OK. Go to home, go to view, visual style, change it back to shaded with edges. Okay, rotate the profile. Now you can see this profile. Rotate the profile once again. Now I want same profile this side as well. Go to 3D model. Here we will take mirror, take extrude 3. Go to mirror plane and here go to origin and select the YZ plane. Press OK. Same profile has been generated here. Now we are going to make the cutting profiles. First select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make circle on the center of diameter 15 and here on this center diameter 15. Now here I will draw a circle of diameter 17 and here also diameter 17. Okay. Now here go to dimension and here I have dimension of 42 mm. You can see here the 42 mm escape. Go to dimension. Here also from center this will be at 42 mm. Okay. Or you may take it as 45 and this also as 45 from the center. Okay, now here go to vertical constraint, select this point, select the center, select this point and select the center. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the 4 profiles. Here I will take cut. Now here you can see these are not touching profiles, so I will take here all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now I want to make a counter bore here. Select this face, go to create sketch. Take the point command and place the point on the center. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take here hole and here we will take the simple hole and seat we will take counter bore. This will be a through and here the top diameter we will define it as 42 mm. Okay, and this depth here will be of 8 mm, and this bottom, this will be of 25 mm. Okay, and press OK. This profile has been created. Now here I'll define the appearance. I'll take here red color. Okay, and for the inner profiles or the cut profiles, you can select this face, select this face, select this, select this, this and this. We'll define it as aluminum finished. Okay, you can take here aluminum polished, and here I'll take, select this edge, take here fillet. We'll take here fillet of 2 mm, select this edge, rotate, select this edge, select this edge, rotate. Now we have selected all and press OK. So this will be a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.